Good morning, class family. It's a fantastic Friday. Get your fans ready. Fantastic. Let's look at our message together. Show me that you're a team and a class family. Follow along with your eyes and listen with your ears. Use your finger to point. Ready? Start in the top right-hand corner with the date. February 23rd, 2024. Dear class family, today is Friday. We will learn a lot at school. First, we will learn letter sounds and fast words. Next, we will look at the Lexia data and do literacy centers. Then, we will share our thinking about a book. Last, we will do writing workshop. It is a great day. Love, Miss Joyner. Oh, it is a great day. Let's look back and reread the message. Remember, that's what good readers do. They reread. They do this so their brain can understand the words on the page. Use your finger to point. Start with the date and the abbreviation for this month. I noticed the capital letter FEB period. What does that abbreviation stand for? We'll say the name of the month out loud. If you said February, you're right. Go ahead and pat yourself on the back. Notice the capital letter F to start. Good writers and mathematicians capitalize the first letter of each month of the year because it's special and important. They also capitalize the first letter of each day of the week. Okay, readers, let's read from top to bottom and left to right. February 23rd, 2024. Dear class family, after our greeting, look at the first telling sentence. I noticed a bigger finger space to indent. Good writers leave a bigger finger space to indent or jumpstart each paragraph. I also noticed a capital letter to start that sentence and a period at the end. Good writers start sentences with capital letters and end with punctuation marks. As we are rereading, notice all of the capital letters that start each sentence and notice the punctuation marks at the end. Today is Friday. It is Friday, and it's a fantastic Friday. We will learn a lot at school. Oh, just like we do every day, we are going to work on being a portrait of a graduate. We're going to practice being a great communicator and collaborator. Remember to speak clearly with your mouth and listen with your ears. That's what good communicators do. Okay, we're going to see the order of what we're doing. First, next, then, and last. First, we will learn letter sounds and fast words. Okay, just like we do every day at school and kindergarten, we'll be using so many resources to review letters, sounds, different words that start with that letter, American Sign Language, shout out to some YouTube channels, Jack Hartman's, Mr. B's, The Singing Walrus, The Learning Station. We're also going to be doing sight word dance today, so we are very excited to use your resources to help us move our bodies and pump our brains with knowledge. Okay, on this particular resource with the foundations cards, the consonants have yellow in the background and the vowels have red. Review vowels with me, kindergartners. Are you ready? A, apple, E, ed, I, itch, O, octopus, U, up. In addition to our word wall, we'll use our sound wall as a resource. We're using UFly, so we have a sound wall up in our classroom, and we have things that we are presenting on the smart board, the electronic version, and we're going to be using the My Alphabet books to help us as we were reviewing letters and sounds and shaping our mouths for each of those letters. And you know it. Dun dun dun, phonemic awareness, tapping that beginning, middle, and ending sound and saying that whole word. And remember, we're going to be working on fast words today. So we have all of the kindergarten words you need to be able to know, read, and spell. These are on our word wall. We also have the first grade words to get you ready for next year. And we're going to be doing sight word dance today first grade style. Okay, so next we'll look at the Lexia data and do literacy centers. We'll look at the data, we'll see who met their target, how many units you passed, you met your time goal, did we earn more certificates? Oh, it's gonna be so exciting. Oh, and so after we do Lexia data, you will go back on your iPads and you'll log on independently. And then you'll also do some box centers within the room, reading books, meeting with teachers. If they call you, remember to listen the first time and go over, okay? All right. We are going to be reviewing this poem and rereading it and singing it again. Remember, it's called Abraham Lincoln. Abe Lincoln was a great big man. He wore a tall black hat. He was our 16th president. Now, what do you think of that? If you want to see his face, here is what you do. Just find a penny, turn it up. His face will look at you. Now, this poem, the author of the poem is unknown. We can sing it to the tune Yankee Doodle. Are you ready? Remember, the poem is called Abraham Lincoln. And remember, we have it on chart paper written like this in the classroom. So let's go ahead at this time and sing it. Are you ready? Abe Lincoln was a great big man. He wore a tall black hat. He was our 16th president. Now what do you think of that? If you want to see his face, here is what you do. Just find a penny, turn it up. His face will look at you. So we'll be reviewing this poem, Abraham Lincoln. Then we will share our thinking about a book. Okay, remember, that's what good readers do. They share their thinking. So we'll be communicating that. We're going to reread Don B. Leads the School Parade by Anna Kim. And we're going to share our thinking about this book. Last, we will do writing workshop. We'll do writing workshop. We're continuing our I see pattern sentences, and you're going to be finishing tracing ICA. And for each thing, after we've read Brown Bear, okay? And then you also, so you need to finish it up. You started this yesterday. Okay. Oh, what a wonderful day. It is a great day, Love Miss Joyner. Oh, it isn't. It's so great. It's fantastic. Get your fans ready. It's a fantastic Friday. Fantastic. Our Do You Like question of yes or no answers for today is, do you like Raisin Bran? Well, do you? Think about your answer and get ready to be a great communicator and share your reason why. Do you like Raisin Bran?